JD here. I want to show you a quick and easy tip on how to glue a board on and just spread some glue here, and without using clamps. Okay, got an old brush here and spread some glue out here like this. Okay, need a little more glue. The edge. Okay. So now we're going to flip this board around to the edge. Meet it up with the edge. Sorry if I'm in your way. Okay. And this is the piece we're going to cut out. So we're just going to put a screw in here. I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to half tack it like that a little bit. There we go. Like that. And then we're going to put another one in the end here. Okay. I'm going to put another one here. Okay, let that dry. So let's check this. Let's undo these screws. Put one there. That's pretty good. Found it pretty good. That's your tip for today. JD means just do it. Have a great day.